Welcome back today. It's me, the beat maker. I'm back again with another beat today. Today I'm going to be making a Casablanca trap beat. Make sure you follow along as I'm going to produce this trap beat. Hit the subscribe button, turn on your notification bell below so that anytime I drop new videos, you will get notified. Now I'm going to launch my FL Studio properly. I'm just going to put my cursor here, just right click and just press open. Now my FL Studio is loading. Very soon it will open. My FL Studio has opened. As you can see, I'm just going to pick my preset. Now where they have written add, I'm going to click here on add and just press and just click this locking chord hammer. This is it. Then I'm going to click here, left click, hold it and route the channel 5. That's it. Now I'm going to click here and click on preset. Then these are many presets here. I'm going to click here on tranquility. Is it here? Now as you can see, I'm going to use this one to program my trap beat. I'm going to use this preset to program my trap beat. Then I'm going to click here, right click and press on piano roll. This is it. This is it. Then I'm going to start programming my note. First of all, I'm going to program the first 2 bars of my Casablanca trap beat. Then I'm going to copy it right to bars number 8. Then I'm going to left click and hold it and switch it to the left and press Ctrl B to bars number 8. Now I'm going to program my bass melodies. Now I'm going to pick another beat again to make it a 2 melody loops. I'm going to click here on add and press FL keys. I'm going to click here, left click, hold it and switch it right up to channel 6. Then I'm going to right click and press piano roll. Now I've created 4 bars pattern on my beat on the second melody. I'm going to left click and hold the left click button, switch to the left and press Ctrl and B. Then I'm going to mix my first melody by clicking on slot 1 and press on foot 2 parametric EQ2. Then I'm going to click on slot 2, I'm going to click on sound goodnizer and sound goodnizer and turn the mix level to mix level 4. No, I'm going to allow 2%. Then on the second melody, I'm going to click on Full 2 parametric Q2. Now I'm going to add a sound organizer. Now I'm going to program my hi-hat now by right clicking and press piano roll. This I'm going to copy, I'm going to arrange my hi-hat. Switch up my hi-hat right up and add the sound organizer. Now I'm going to right click and press piano roll to program my snare. Piano roll. Finish program my kick. I'm going to click here and this is the boss icon. I'm going to click here and turn the boss knob button right up. Now I've finished programming my beats. This is my playlist where they have written part 1. I'm just going to right click and just press split by channel. As you can see, I've arranged everything, and this is everything on my left side on the FX Studio app. This is it here. I'm just going to click on my kick and place it on my playlist. Now I'm just going to arrange my beat now like this. I'm just going to click on my hi-hat and arrange and put it on my playlist. Click on my snare and put it on my playlist. Click on my first melody and put on my playlist. My second melody on my playlist. I'm going to arrange my beat now. I'm going to do the snare here. I'm going to spice up my hi-hat here. Now I'm going to right click and press quick automation click. Add a sound organizer on my snare. Let's listen to the full Casablanca trap beat now from the starting to the end. Let's go. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and see you next time. Thank you so much.